Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome, my dear student, in our new program, Knowledge Bank. I will be with you today. We'll make a general revisions for biology. أهلا بيكم طلبة وطالبات الصف الأول الثانوي. إن شاء الله النهاردة عندنا مراجعة على الترم الثاني. بعض الأسئلة إن شاء الله 17 question as we studied as we make in the last exam. 17 question, 10 question choose, and 7 question write comment. Let's start with the first question. Choose the correct answer. The appearance of chlorophyll is affected by the factor of. Do you know chlorophyll here? Chlorophyll, this is a pigment, has a green color, needed by the plant to make photosynthesis process. What is the factor? It's very important to the chlorophyll. Temperature, light, humidity, or oxygen. Of course, the chlorophyll needing light to make photosynthesis process. Second question. The number of antigen on the surface of the red blood cell that determine O positive is. The number of antigen here, antigen you studied before, that found in the red blood cell. When we talk about blood group O has no antigen at all. But what about the O positive here? O positive here containing RH. RH here, the type of antigen found on the surface of the red blood cell. When we talk about O positive here, the number of antigen will be 1, 0, 2, or 3. Of course here O has no antigen, A or B, but positive containing RH. That means the correct answer will be 1. 1 here related to the positive RH. But O negative has no antigen at all on the surface of the red blood cell. Third question. Causes sleeping disease in the human. We have 4 choices: amoeba, trypanosoma, plasmodium, and paramecium. Which one causing sleeping disease? Of course, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma here causing sleeping disease, but plasmodium causing malaria disease. Amoeba and paramecium has no disease. Fourth question. Secrete enzyme which is used in cheese industry. We have 4 choices: penicillium, Rhizopus nigricans, here bread mold, mushroom, and yeast fungus. Secreting enzyme and used in cheese here, the suitable answer will be Rhizopus nigricans. Rhizopus nigricans used to producing enzyme. Let's discuss together this question. This question talk about scorpion. Scorpion related to class called Arachnida. Let's discuss together the main characteristics of Arachnida. When you look to the picture in front of you, you will see this living organism has no head. The head here is combined with thorax and make this area called cephalothorax. When you look to the abdomen, you will see the abdomen is segmented, as you see. That means this kind of organism has two types of the part of the body. Head and thorax in cephalothorax, one area, and another area we call it abdomen. Abdomen here, this is the second area. Okay? When you look to the cephalothorax here, this area producing legs. The legs here, 4 pair of legs, comes out from this area. As you see, no wings produced from this area. The eye here is simple eye. The eye here, different, simple eye, and 4 pair of wings. Okay? And this kind of organism, scorpion or arachnida, respire by tracheals and lung books. Here, this is a type of breathing or respiration. يبقى لو بصينا للسؤال هنلاقي السكوربيون مع السبايدر also related to arachnida. Arachnida completely different than insect. Insect containing 3 parts of the body, head, thorax, and abdomen. But arachnida contain cephalothorax and abdomen. Insect containing 3 pairs of jointed legs. Here containing 4 pairs of jointed legs. Insect here containing wings, but arachnida has no wings. Question number 6. Karyotype of Turner syndrome is. Turner syndrome here is abnormal cases, as we studied before. Abnormal cases, female, produced from an abnormal ovum containing 22 plus 0, and another one containing 22 plus X here. The mistake here found in the 6 chromosome. 6 chromosome here, not XX, just 1X. This female abnormal. This female don't reach the puberty because it has not sufficient hormones. And also, this female suffering from congenital deformations in kidney and heart. البنت دي يا ولادي ما بتعتبرش بنت طبيعية لأن هي عندها نقص في الكروموسوم X، عندها 1 فقط وليس الاثنين، فبالتالي بتعاني من مشاكل صحية. When you look to the question, we have 4 choice here: 44 plus X, Y, 44 plus X, 0, and 45 plus Y, O, 45 plus XY. Of course, the correct answer will be 44 plus X, 0. The total number here will be 45. The normal number of the chromosome in the human will be 46. This female abnormal because its cell containing 45 chromosome, not 46. That means the number of chromosome here decreasing 1 than normal. يبقى هي عندها هنا 45 كروموسوم وليس 46. الخلل هنا في الكروموسوم 6 decreasing 1. عشان كده هي بتعاني من مشاكل صحية. Question number 7. Blood group which is known as universal donor. Do you know universal donor? Mean this type of the blood group producing the blood to all blood group. Which blood group we call the universal donor? Of course, blood group O here because it has no antigen A or B that producing blood to all blood group. 8 is example of erect prokaryotics. The periophyta, erect periophyta. Periophyta here, we have two examples of periophyta, erect and the flat. We have a picture here for riccia and fionaria. When you look to the picture in front of you, you will see the riccia, periophyta, but flat plant. But fionaria here, erect. كلمة erect هنا يعني نبات قائم، إنما الفلات هو الفيوناريا نبات منبطح. فبالتالي هو طالب البيريوفايتا erect. The correct answer will be fionaria, not riccia. 9 is from cartilaginous fish. We have two types of fish, cartilaginous fish and bony fish. احنا عارفين cartilaginous يعني الهيكل غضروفي، أما البون الهيكل عظمي. عندي two types of fish. طبعا اللي عندها cartilaginous fish here is shark. When you look to the picture in front of you, we have booty and poultry related to bony fish, and shark related to cartilaginous fish. The difference between them. لما نيجي نبص على الشارك هنلاقي ان الشارك يا ولادي الجلز بتاعته no cover, has no operculum. الاوبننج واضحة جدا في الصورة لو بصينا عليها. لما نبص للاوبننج بتاعت الماوس هنلاقيها ventral, move downwards. الشارك fertilization here internally, crossing between male and female, has no air bladder. That means air bladder here, when it found it full with air, help the fish to ascend up or down. Shark has no this air bladder. Also shark, when you look to the shark, you will see the shark covered with scales like teeth. Shark, its body, as we studied, made of cartilage, soft, very soft. When you look to the booty and poultry related to bony fish, bony, its skeleton is bony. When you look to the gills, gills here covered with operculum. Operculum here, gills cover to protect the gills. Its mouth is terminal, not ventral. Has air bladder. Air bladder helps the fish to ascend up and down. Also, it covered with scales. Scales here, bony scales. When you look to the picture in front of you, this is operculum. Here, no operculum at all. Mouth here ventral, mouth here terminal. Fertilization in the bony fish is external fertilizations. 10 question. All the following animals give birth except. All these animal births except duck-billed platypus. Duck-billed platypus, this kind of duck, lay eggs. Cannot give, this animal lay eggs, cannot give birth. Why? This is related to the mammalia because it contains mammary gland. This mammary gland suckling their young milk. Duck-billed platypus lay eggs, not birth. What happens if woman Rh negative married a man Rh positive? What happened for the first and second generation? When we talk about a woman with Rh negative married a man with Rh positive, هنا في احتمال 50% إن الأم دي تكون pregnant in the child Rh positive. Do you know? Different. هي negative وهو positive. The first baby take the food through placenta from its mother. No mixing between them in their blood. But during the delivery, the first baby, the blood will mix between the mother and this baby. Here, the mother will make antibodies against this blood. The first baby will born healthy, no problem at all. But when this woman pregnant again with another child with the same blood group, Rh positive, this is the ratio 50% by the way. Here, the antibodies which found in the blood will reach to the second baby and coagulating its blood. هنا البيبي التاني هيتجلط الدم بتاعه في أول فترة من فترات البريجنسي. البيبي ده will die نتيجة وجود الانتيبوديز اللي سببها الفيرست بيبي. هنا العلاج في منتهى البساطة، ان الام دي بعد كل ديليفري بديها فاكسين، سواء هي كانت بوزيتيف، سواء كان البيبي بوزيتيف او نيجاتيف، هي لازم تاخد الفاكسين after the delivery through 72 hours من الدليفري. This vaccine will damage all antibodies. Here, this is the answer as we explain. Question number 12. Give reason for. Cotton is from dicotyledons. Do you know dicotyledons? We have two types of the plant subclasses, monocots أو monocotyledon and dicotyledon. اللي هي monocotyledon, the seeds cannot be divided like wheat, corns, this one seed. But when the seed is dicotyledon, that means the seed will divide it into two, like beans, okay? Dicotyledons have some characteristics, such as when you look to the picture in front of you, this is a comparison between the seed monocots and another seed dicots. The seed is monocots, one cotyledons. Here the seed is two cotyledons. دي كده يا ولادي فص واحد، دي تعتبر فصين. هنا المونوكوت زي الرايس، الويت، الكورن. هنا البيز okay contain two parts. When you look to the leaves, the leaf of monocots contain veins. Veins يعني عروق. العروق هنا بتكون parallel venation. When you look to the leaf of onion، لو بصينا للبصل، الورق الأخضر بتاع البصل الأخضر هنلاقي العروق بتاعته parallel. ده معناه إن السيد دي monocots. Dicotyledon, its leaf has two shapes. This is a palmate shape and also another shape called pinnate. Palmate or pinnate. العروق هنا واخدة شكل مختلف تشبه كف اليد. البالمate. When you look to the flower, الفلاور here its petals اللي هي الوريقات بتاعة الفلاور بتكون trimerous and its multiply. Trimerous here containing 3 leaflets, 3 petals, or its multiply 3, 6, 9. But the flower is dicot, tetramerous or pentamerous. Tetramerous يعني 4 أو 5 and its multiply. يعني احنا لو عدينا الوريقات بتاعت أي وردة هنقدر نتعرف هي مونوكوت أو دايكوت. لو هي 3 and its multiply trimerous and its multiply هتكون monocote. لو هي tetramerous or pentamerous يعني 4 أو 5 and its multiply، في الحالة دي بتكون دايكوت. أي وردة حضرتك هتشوفها وهتعد الليف تعد البيتلز بتاعتها هتقدر تتعرف إن البذرة دي مونوكوت أو دايكوت. الستام، عشان أشوف الستام طبعا ده need a cross section transfer section، هقطع بالعرض الستام عشان أشوف الفاسكولار سلندر. الفاسكولار سلندر يا ولادي اللي هي containing xylem and phloem، دي بيكون ليها شكل مميز. في حالة المونوكوت بتكون الفاسكولار سلندر scattered as you see in the picture، scattered random. But when you see the dicoat you will see the vascular cylinder here take ring shape. Of course this part cannot see by naked eyes but see under the microscope. يبقى here the monocoat زي ما انتم شايفين ال vascular cylinder scattered, but here in dicoat make a ring shape. When you look to the roots of the monocoats as you see in كلنا عندنا في البيت بصل أو توم، لو بصينا للبصل هتلاقي الروت بتاعه fibrosis. الشعر اللي خارج من البصلاية ده هو الروت، واخد شكل الفايبروسيس روت، ده شكل الفايبروسيس، ده مونوكوت. لما نيجي نتكلم على نبات دايكوت لو بصينا للروت بتاعه هنلاقي الروت تاب روت. حضراتكم عندنا في البيت كاروت، عندنا ليفت، لو بصيت لشكل الروت هتلاقي الروت هنا تاب روت. يبقى من شكل الروت انا اقدر اتعرف على النبات ده ينتمي الى المونوكوت ولا الدايكوت. الكومبير دي مهمة جدا ان انا اقدر اميز من خلال ليف، من خلال سيدز، من خلال فلاور، من خلال روت هل النبات ده ينتمي الى المونوكوتيليدون ولا الدايكوتيليدون. 13. What happens if a sperm 22 plus Y fertilized an abnormal ovum containing 22 plus XX? When I talk here about abnormal ovum, normal ovum containing 22 plus X, this one possibility 22 plus X, this is a normal ovum. Normal sperm containing two probability, maybe 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Here we have abnormal ovum because 22 plus XX here during the division of meiosis division the XX cannot be divided. فضلوا الاثنين ملتحمين، ما حصلش separation ما بين الاكس والاكس، فضلوا بعد الديفيجن الاثنين مع بعض من السوماتيك سيل عشان تحول الجاميت. المفروض بيحصل meiosis division بيعمل reducing the number of the gametes او producing the gametes، لكن هنا ما حصلش الكلام ده، حصل ميستيك. ايه اللي هيحصل؟ اداني اوفيوم الابنورمال اوفيوم دي. ايه اللي يحصل لما الابنورمال اوفيوم دي combined with normal sperm؟ it will producing of course abnormal male. انا قلت هنا ميل ليه؟ لان الميل هنا عنده واي هيديني 44 بلس اكس واي، يبقى انا قلت ان هو واي يبقى ميل. طب هل هو ده نورمال ميل ولا اب نورمال؟ لما نيجي نعد الكروموسوم هنا هنلاقي عدد الكروموسوم 47. This is abnormal لان normal person containing 46. طب هنا المستيك فين؟ في الاوتوسوم ولا في السكس؟ احنا اتفقنا ان الاوتوسوم يعني السوماتيك، يعني الكروموسومات اللي شايله التريت اللي خاصه بالسوماتيك بتاعتي، لون عيني، لون شعري، شكلي هيكون ازاي، كل ده بنسميه اوتوسومز. دول متشالين على 44 كروموسوم. لكن لما اجي اتكلم على الاكس اكس والاكس واي يبقى انا شايله السكس تريت. هنا الميل ده اب نورمال ليه؟ لانه عنده 2 اكس وواحده واي، فده abnormal male. طبعا الميل ده في الاول مش بيظهر عنده اي symptoms في المراحل الاولى من حياته، لكن مجرد ما يصل للبيبرتي طبعا الميل ده لا يصل الى البيبرتي لانه ما عندوش الهرمونز، مش هيطلع عنده سبرم، فهذا الميل not normal male، هذا الميل sterile. because it has no sperm. هذا المale suffering from some feminine characters such as appearing of the breast because it containing two eggs here. طبعا ده بيعاني من مشاكل نفسية كبيرة جدا لأنه هو مش بيصل إلى الصفات الطبيعية بالنسبة لأي ميل. اوكي، الحالة دي اتسمت باسم العالم اللي اكتشفها كلينفلتر syndrome. Syndrome here abnormal cases. This is the number of chromosome 44 plus XXY. The total number will be 47. 14. What happened when crossing occur between two yellow hybrid mice? And what is the percentage of the yellow mice can be died? طبعا دي حالة lethal gene. When you look to the picture in front of you, you will see two mice. Hybrid. Hybrid here mean not pure. طبعا yellow, Y capital Y small, Y capital Y small. When crossing the two yellow mice together, it will producing Y capital Y capital. Y capital Y capital here, this is a lethal gene dominant. This mice will die. No mice Y capital Y capital. Okay? The second one will be Y capital Y small. Third one Y capital Y small. Both of them are yellow. And the last one will be Y small will be gray mice. This is a recessive one. The ratio here will be one die, Y capital. Okay? This is a lethal gene dominant, will die. Here, two yellow. Okay, hybrid. And this is one gray. The ratio here, two yellow, one gray. Okay? But here the yellow is hybrid. No mice yellow, Y capital. It will die. When you look to the figure in front of you, you will see some protozoa. Protozoa يا أولادي هي كائنات أولية cannot see by naked eyes but see under the microscope. دي كائنات بسيطة جدا وطبعا related to kingdom protista as we study. البروتوزوا لازم أشوفها تحت الميكروسكوب ودي كائنات في غاية الأهمية. تعالوا هنتكلم عنها. Look at the picture in front of you and determine the phylum and the classes for this organism. Let's discuss together what is the first picture related to, what is the name of the first picture. The first picture here is trypanosoma. Trypanosoma microorganism, as you see, protozoa. The second one will be paramecium. The third one, amoeba. And the last one will be euglena. تاني, trypanosoma, paramecium, amoeba, and euglena. Trypanosoma related to the class Flagellata, of course, phylum Protozoa. Paramecium related to Coleophora, phylum Protozoa. Amoeba, class Sarcodina, phylum Protozoa. Euglena, phylum Euglenophyta. The kind of movement here, the first one moved by flagella, second one cilia, pseudopodia, and last one will flagella. This is the last question today at the end of our program. Thank you for your listening. I'll meet you again next week. Good luck.